This is how I started a lip gloss business that allows me to work from home. I did some research and I was able to find a black-owned vendor, which is very important to me. When my samples came in, I took product pictures and did some swatches of this color-changing lip gloss. This tube is giving luxury. It has a built-in mirror and LED light. I started working on a name and I decided to name it Think Pink. Now that I've got my product named, it's time to create labels. I spent less than $100 to start my business, and I'm so excited to start selling.
I had a customer that would purchase almost every restock, but every time they got their package, there would always be something wrong. It was either an air bubble in the lip gloss, not enough candy in the package, or they simply just didn't like the color of the lip gloss. So every time they ordered, I would send them a refund for something, and they placed about 15 orders, which eventually got costly. So I ended up reaching out to them saying I can't refund them for every little thing, and they never ordered since.
If you sell lip gloss and your sales are low, I'm going to give you this top marketing tip to generate over $100,000 in your business. The main and most important thing you as the business owner wants to do is look at the features of what your product is and then sell the benefits to your audience. I'm going to list 3 quick features of lip gloss and then I'm going to teach you how to sell it to your audience. Let's go. The 3 features are this, and this. Instead of telling your audience that your lip gloss has a non-sticky formula, say something like this instead. I can't be the only one who's obsessed with lip gloss but can't stand that annoying, sticky feeling. I've won hundreds of lip gloss on the market that claim to be non-sticky, but I would always end up with a sticky mess on everything. From my straw when I drank, or even kissing my boyfriend would be a disaster. This is why I created the best non-sticky formula that still gives clear and shiny without feeling so tacky. With this formula, you can still get popping lips without having to worry about tackiness and discomfort. Next, instead of telling your audience that your lip gloss is moisturizing and hydrating, say something like this instead. Don't you just love a cute brown liner and clear gloss combo, but hate when it starts to wear off and your lips start to feel dry? Yeah, me too. So I came up with this brilliant idea to add coconut oil to our gloss because being cute does not have to come at the cost of dry lips. Since coconut oil is constantly repairing and rehydrating the skin, not only will your lips look cute, but they'll be super healthy underneath. Next, instead of telling your audience that your lip glosses are versatile, say something like this instead. Is it just me or is finding the perfect nude lip gloss for my skin tone so hard? I've searched so much, and while the big makeup brands claim they have inclusivity and shades for every skin tone, I just could never find the right one, This is why I created my own lip gloss brand. I've tested hundreds of shades on so many different skin tones and undertones. And I finally launched my top 25 shades so everyone can have a bomb brown liner and nude combo. And that is just an example of selling the benefits and not the features. Like I always say, people do not care about the features. They're boring. They want to know how it's going to benefit them. If you want me to do one on your product or niche, comment below. And remember, follow for more.
Start that lip gloss business today, okay? There is no time to waste, so let me help you. Today, I'm making an 8-ounce lip gloss container, and my containers are actually on sale right now for $35, so I highly recommend stocking up during the sale. This is the perfect way to start your lip gloss business or to restock any of the colors that you may need for your business. My lip gloss containers are available and are on super sale, so go ahead and shop the sale. If you don't want to deal with the hassle of getting all the raw materials and making the lip gloss yourself, lip gloss containers are going to be your best friend. Now, if you do want to make the lip gloss yourself, I also have my lip gloss formula book, The Secret Sauce, which will give you all of the exact measurements of all of these beautiful ingredients that I am mixing up today. That way you can make your own lip gloss at home with this amazing formula. So go ahead and connect with me and let's get these lip gloss businesses together.
Beauty with the Biz is all about helping women grow their YouTube channels and start online businesses. If you're interested in these topics, then make sure you subscribe and join the family.